Discovery 55035 BRIZO, shown here at our HQ in Lymington ashore. She has recently been shipped back to us from the Caribbean. The yacht was built in 2010 and commissioned in 2011. She has a circumnavigation beneath her keel, and she also comes with a current survey with all the surveyor's recommendations carried out, and the owner would like it if the surveyor can come back for the purchaser's sea trial just to do 110% sign off to make sure everything is as it should be. Lovely flag blue hull, all in very nice condition. British registered yacht, very high specification. The owners wanted to have the perfect yacht for their big trip, which of course they bought, and they've had a great time. There are all flush hatches. There are many custom details on BRIZO which make her just a little bit special. Since she came into Berthon, she's had all new standing rigging and new headlinings and a lot of other jobs. You see these lovely gin and tonic seats, and all Discovery 55s have these great deep aft lockers which go right down to the ship's side, which are great for storage. As you can see, she's also got a huge lazarette forward, which you'll see a bit later. Teak deck is all looking lovely. She's got davits, nice rib, full safety gear. All of these Discoveries have great wide side decks, very easy to work on, and a safe and secure centre cockpit. Electric winches, primary and secondary, and the sails are all controlled from the cockpit. We'll have a bit of a look at that later. Because she's a late yacht, she's got a new configuration wraparound windows, and of course the self-tacking jib, so that when you're sailing short-handed, which is what these yachts are designed to do, she's very easy to cope with. Selden spar, electric furling on the main, white painted, and as I say, with lovely new standing rigging, so she's ready for the next ocean as you wish. And then forward, dolphin seats, and good sturdy anchoring arrangement. Twin furling, which is operated from the cockpit. The inner stay is for the self-tacker, and the forward stay is for a low-cut genoa. There's also space so that you can have a reacher or asymmetric. As you can see, this forward lazarette is absolutely enormous, and it's a great place for storing all manner of things as needed on a blue water cruise. Lovely clear decks. You don't get lines running everywhere over these yachts. And then down the port side, she's got two side lockers. One is a storage locker and the other is for the gas. Storage locker was originally designed to have the life raft, but now that lives on the push pit, so it's a useful extra space for putting things in. Here we go. We're going to have a look at the storage locker and at the gas locker. Everything's in date and very wholesome. All of the deck lockers are on gas struts, so they have positive open and shut. High gloss varnished teak table, sturdy pedestal, Behind the helm position is also the option of a bath, which is a great thing for washing sails or salty oilies, or for even having a bath. She's got a Yanmar 160. It's all in good shape and has recently been serviced. Also got bow thruster, and all the electronics are in date. You see here you've got in and out furl for the main, and also this powered winch is the control for the front sails and the reefing for the main. Makes everything very easy to do, and you never have to go on deck when you're at sea to handle sails. Now this is BRIZO's interior. She's got oak interior. The head linings are all brand new, and she has also got this lovely leather upholstery, all of which has just been totally restored and is looking as new. There are lots of lovely details in the joinery, including the burr in the table and elsewhere, which really is stunning. The table folds up and becomes a coffee table. Of course, one of the big things about the Discovery 55 is this wonderful deck saloon, so that you've got virtually 360-degree vision. On this yacht she's got ocean air blinds, and we're just having a look now at a chart area, which can be a berth if you wish. Again in lovely burr. You've got storage here. Beneath it there's a really useful chart drawer, and underneath that even more important storage for very special equipment. The floors are laminate, teak and holly, unbreakable, very sturdy, look lovely. The boat is air conditioned, and as you see she's got her ARC and World ARC medals there. The switch panel on the Discovery is very well done, very easy to understand and very sturdy. Don't seem to have problems with unreliability. There are only 3 steps down from the cockpit to the main saloon, so it's very easy to manage. And we're just now going to look at the Nav Station. This, of course, allows for watch keeping inside, which is a huge thing. She's got SSB, track phone, ST70 instrumentation, and Raymarine touchscreen E120 you can just see there. Very well equipped for blue water. We're now going to walk forward. You see the flat screen TV on the forward bulkhead, and we're going to walk past the mast casing. This is a very spacious upper and lower berth cabin. The berths are wide and long, and there is also storage everywhere and natural light. So if you have guests staying for many weeks, they can be comfortable and also have room for all their gear. So then into the guest heads. Separated shower stall, which again has new linings and is looking absolutely epic. The mirrors have also been replaced throughout. Lovely Corian tops. Electric towel rail, which is a must. And then out and into the main VIP guest cabin. Very large double, acres and acres of space, a really lovely place to spend time. As with the rest of the yacht, she's got new headlinings, and all the cabins have these fans in addition to being fully air conditioned. This really is a lovely cabin for guests. Proper hanging locker, air conditioning control, and she's also got separate central heating, which is nice when you want to go to the cold places. This is Harry, our cameraman, showing you around. And then out of the guest accommodation, once we've had a look in the mast aperture, which makes for really easy access to everything. And means that you have an attractive oak fascia rather than just a piece of material over the mast itself. Here's the oilskin locker. So hope you don't really need that too often, but it's good to have. And then back into the main saloon and down into this really fantastic galley. This is built for serious cooking, double sink, separated drainer, 4-burner gas oven and grill. Lovely avonite surfaces, and all these taps are custom. You've got a dedicated gash bucket, which isn't glamorous but is very much needed. And then at the end of this space you've got a microwave, and beneath it is a larder, which is fantastic. And lots of natural space and light and lots of areas to work. Now, the refrigeration on the Discovery 55 is epic. This is the deep freeze. It goes right out to the ship's side, so it is absolutely massive, bigger than it looks even here. And then she's also got a full-size refrigerator, which is the real deal. And all with an oak veneer. Deeply cool coffee maker as well. From here we walk into the owner's stateroom, which is lovely. Large double, masses and masses and masses of storage, his and hers hanging lockers. You've also got that port light aft so that you can actually see what's going on. The storage is at the side and underneath. Amazing how much can get tucked away in this cabin. Look at this, it's huge, but needed if you're spending time aboard the yacht. Everything's in great condition. Everything's being serviced and is working as it should. As I mentioned earlier, she now has new mirrors throughout the whole interior. And then from here, you walk into the owner's heads. Look at that very funky sink. I do love that. It's the same in the forward cabin. Separated shower. You've got a full-sized washer dryer hiding away there, which is needed. And the access to the engine room is just coming up now. As you can see, everything is in really good condition. It's all been shut down. She's got a manifold at the front, and you can see the water maker here, halyard lift, aqua drive. All very clean, all serviced, and all ready to do a lot more. We're very happy to let you have a copy of the survey recommendations and work list that's been done to the yacht, which makes for good reading. Discovery 55, 035, BRIZO.